guys! When traveling on N1 national roads, from Johannesburg to Bloemfontein, look out for these sensational natural ecosystems in the wilderness. You will hardly find such beautiful experience in the city. There are other trees around here. I wonder why these birds are crowding on this particular tree. If you have any idea, please share your comment below. Beautiful singing birds. I so love the chirping.
It's believed that hearing chirping birds has a calming sensation and could improve mental wellness.
Another belief is that hearing chirping birds signifies that the universe is conspiring in your favor to help answer your prayers.
If you have heard about these beliefs, please share in the comment section below. The beauty of nature. This is the famous Orange River.
It is the longest river in South Africa.
When traveling on N1 national roads, it borders Free State and Northern Cape. This iconic river flows from east to west across South Africa and finally empties its content into the Atlantic Ocean at Alexander Bay in the Northern Cape.
Nature is so beautiful. Nature is so beautiful. Nature is so beautiful. Nature is so beautiful.
I hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
See you soon.